Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel where we talk health, fitness and self-improvement things. Today I'll be reviewing the Jarvis standing desk from Fully. I'm gonna talk about why I got it, the things I like about it, the things I don't like so much about it, and the features in between. Stay tuned. So the reasons I got this desk is because it's not healthy for you to be seated all the time. So like standing up and actually working standing up could benefit you a lot. Your hips don't get as tight. Your blood pressure doesn't skyrocket, and then you can keep focus for longer, in my opinion, because you're sitting down and working on whatever you have to work on, and then you get a little bit distracted. It always gives you that like extra wind when you're able to stand up and continue working on what you're working on. It'll increase your efficiency, I believe, or at least it increased my efficiency on my work habits. And that's mainly why I got this desk, because it's healthier and you can get more things done. And I also got this desk because it looks really good. It's really clean finish, clean look. It looks really good, and it has a lot of functions as a benefit. Some of the benefits are that it has a lot of functionality to the desk, even though the design is so simple. Okay, now let's talk about the things I don't like so much, which is very little things that I don't like about this desk. That it's just like it's not even a thing. The cable management is really hard to maintain clean, because you need some slack on the end of the different things that you connect to the computer and whatnot. But it's like my cable management has been always really bad, so a little bit out of hand, but other than that, like, this desk does it all. It's really good. The motors do make noise, but it's very not that loud, and like, what can you expect? It's a really good desk, and if it makes a little bit of noise, that's okay. And plus it's just 10 seconds while you adjust the desk up and down, so yeah, there's that. So even though I've been struggling with cable management and I have a bit of a mess underneath the desk, it hasn't gotten in the way of the height adjustment settings, so I can adjust the desk to go all the way up and all the way down, and I haven't had a problem with any cable pulling on something, so that's good. And yeah, let's talk about the different features I got with my standing desk. First of all, I got the 78-inch desk, so I got a lot of room for all my things. It comes in a bamboo finish, which is very sleek and clean, and I love it. It's so smooth and it looks really good with everything in the house, so I would recommend this finish if you're gonna get one. I also got the drawer on the side. It was an add-on, but I highly recommend this drawer, because then you can put everything that you need inside it, and it's perfect. It's smooth, clean, and it goes really well with the desk. Next thing, I got a power grommet, and that allows me to connect different things like my lights. It has a normal AC like outlet thing. It has a USB charger and a USB-C Thunderbolt thing charger port, and then you can charge different things. Like this, earlier on I charged my camera batteries with that USB port. It's really convenient. On the other side of the desk I got a power strip thing, and it's connected to the light as like the power grommet, but it also has 3 sockets for different things. It has a USB, I believe USB, and the lightning port connection. So yeah, you can connect your anything. Right now I have my Oura ring connected to that power strip, and it's surge protected, so it's very convenient for everything that you gotta connect through there. I right now have my light connected through there. It's very convenient. I also got a few hooks that you can put under the desk, and they are magnetically placed on the frame of the desk, and they can hold a lot of weight for such a small thing. Right now I have my headphones, and it works well. I like it to hang up my headphones. I tried hanging up a jacket with that, but I think the only way that would work is if I kept my desk in standing height mode, or else the jackets just fall off, and I don't like it too much that way, but I like it for my headphones a lot. I put a bottle opener in the left corner of my desk, and that works well to open any kind of bottle I have. Pretty cool feature to have when you're watching something and you want to open some bottle. I did get the extended version. Apparently for $20 more you can get a little the frame to extend a little bit more than what the regular version extends to, and then you have more opportunity to set your desk at different heights. Speaking about different heights, I got the controller that has the 4 memory settings that will control where the desk is set to, and it has room to remember 4 settings. The way I set it up is I set up the first setting is for when I stand up and I need to work standing. The second setting, I set it to a good setting for when I'm working while I'm sitting down. And the third setting is actually something I found out, that you could set it super low, and when you're watching movies or whatnot, you can actually lay down on your chair and put your legs up, and it's like a little couch basically that you can just sit and lean back and relax. And that's a cheat code, kind of like not too healthy, but kind of cool feature to have. Just as long as you don't ruin your desk with shoes. I always take my shoes off when I put my feet in on top of the desk. Oh yeah, the 2 other features I got the desk with is the anti-fatigue mat. It's so good for when you're standing up. It really does take some of the stress off your feet when you're standing in that soft mat. It's really good. And I also got the monitor arm, so I can work standing up, sitting down, and the monitor's right there. But if I want to do like stretching and I'm like following along to a video, I can pull my monitor out and face it the other way, so then I can have that little space beside my desk as like a little yoga / stretching studio thing where I meditate also. But yeah, and I can stretch there. Using the monitor arm, I can do different things because the monitor can face many different ways. So yeah, that's a very, very handy tool to have. I love the monitor arm. It's one of the best features about the desk, I think. One of the. I love the controller there too. Don't get me wrong. It does shake a little bit though. When I like put my weight on the desk a little bit with my hands, my monitor will shake, but it's nothing that bothers me too much. I can live with that from all the features it gave me, so it's okay. So this desk is rated to be able to work with 350 pounds on top of it. So anything that you have on top of the desk will pretty much not affect how the desk goes up and down. So that's a very, very good plus in my books. So I'm able to put my computer on top of the desk, my monitor, a light, and a few things on top of the desk, and it'll have absolutely no problem handling the weight up and down all day long. So you don't have to worry about that. So the desk is super easy to build. Everything is laid out. It tells you what to do. It doesn't take longer than an hour to set up, and for the most part you just need a screwdriver and you can do it. You may need a power drill for certain things, like I did the power drill for the drawer, but other than that, like, it's super easy to set up. It didn't take long, and yeah, the instructions are very simple to follow, kind of like IKEA instructions. They just tell you what to do step by step, and there's no confusion there. So should you get this desk? Well, if you like staying healthy and you find it that you sit down and work for hours just sitting down and it's really impacting your health, then I think you would benefit from getting this desk, because it's something that you can use to stand up and work standing up. But on the other hand, if this desk is on the pricier end, it was like $1,500, but you can go cheaper with like IKEA. I think it's like $500. They sell that desk for $500. And on the other end, if you don't mind sacrificing some of the quality and some of the features it has, like the power grommet and different settings on the height adjustment settings, then I would I would go for the IKEA. But if you want a better quality desk with different height adjustment settings and different features like the power grommet or the really nice drawer and the hook and everything, then I would go with the Fully desk. And if you don't find it necessary to stand up all the time and you feel like your health is pretty handled, then you could just stay with your desk. But I recommend getting a standing desk because it'll improve your health dramatically. So yeah. One other thing, you can always get the powered legs, like the frame of the desk, and then get the top in IKEA. You can buy an IKEA tabletop and put the legs from the Fully website with the top of the IKEA top, and it'll be cheaper, but I do recommend getting the Fully setup from bottom to top. So yeah, the frame and the top work really well if you buy them both from Fully, but you can always save money by getting the frame from Fully and getting the top from IKEA. So if you guys found this video helpful, please like, and for more content like this, subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get reminded every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next one. Peace.